What's up guys, Big Tuna here from Sherwood Dodge. I'm going to show you this fresh new piece of inventory we just got in. It's a 2021 Dodge Ram 2500 heavy duty. This one is the Hemi with the V8 6.4 liter engine. This one does have the sports appearance on it, so you get the front grille to match the color of the truck. You also get the back bumper. This one has front and rear sensors, tow mirrors on this one as well. You come here with keyless entry, heated and cooled seats. You got the power pedals, 12-inch screen with navigation, sunroof on this one, of course. Tons of room up in the front there. If you come to the back, you also have a lot of room there. There's the crew cab. You do have the 8-foot box on this one. You also got your step for into the box. Hitch and wiring already set up. If you like this truck, give me a call at 780-231-3403 or come down to the store and ask for Big Tuna.